Good day mga bro. Welcome back sa Art of War series natin. Art of War 3 Global Conflict. For today, mission 8 na tayo. At na-open na natin yung tatlo nating nakasaradong panel na to. Itong may co-op, may AI, at the same time yung map natin na isa nabuksan na rin natin. So balik tayo dito sa mission 8. Ayan, yung 7 hindi natin natatluan, okay lang yan. At least na-try natin yung hard, matatluhan man natin o hindi, bibidyo pa rin natin. Okay, let's get it on. Yun, panibagong mission na naman tayo. Mission 8.
New objective.
Kailangan natin i-capture ng flag.
Squad ready and waiting.
Hard, medyo
Roger.
may kahirapan kasi mas marami enemy troops ang dumarating. Nakapag P2P kasi focus ako sa upgrading ng mga troops at mga building, both sa resistance at saka sa ating confederation.
Ready to roast.
Confederation team.
Unit flags.
Yung
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
upgrading pa tayo doon ng both building and troops. Gayon din dito. Kaya hindi pa ako nag-aalalaro ng maps at the same time ko. Ayan. Upgrade yung building para magkaroon tayo ng bagong troops.
Ready for trouble. Move your ass. In motion.
At the same time,
Ready.
gahanap
Here we go. Roger. Here we go.
Resource
Ice
container
containers.
detected.
Got it.
container.
Upgrade complete.
Moving. Yes, sir. Off we go. In motion.
detected.
Off we go. Roger.
Resource unit is
In
under
motion.
attack.
Yung
Move
secondary
your ass.
Resource container
In
detected.
stage nito pag hindi
Here
mo
we go. Got it. Move.
tendency
Move.
talaga hindi mo matatagluan, hindi ka makapunta kung
Good
saan
job, man.
Resource container
This thing is heavy.
detected.
Moving.
matapos
Ready. Got it.
time siya.
Resources received.
Ang nakalagay
Ready to
dito
kick ass, sir. Move. Moving. Got it.
pag ang
Move. Move. Target spotted. Off we go. Move your ass.
Our unit is under
Stop.
attack.
Got it.
Resources received.
just like what happened last
Ready
mission
for
natin.
trouble. Roger.
Tayo ay
Ready to kick ass. Ready to kick ass.
kasi matagal natin bago natapos yung mission. Okay lang. Siguro kung kaya
Ready for
hindi
trouble.
natin natapos ay gawa nga siguro ng yung mga troops natin, mga building natin ay hindi pa ganun ka-upgraded. Babalikan natin yung mga yan, kagaya yung mission 7 na yan, babalikan
Enemy
natin
detected.
pagka
Our unit is under
taklihan
attack.
natin ng staff. Yan, bibidyo natin
Show me armor.
bibidyo natin ulit yung mga diyan
Move your ass.
difficulty na hard. Ayan, magkakaroon na ng sagupaan ng ating mga troops. Kailangan magdadala tayo ng reinforcement din sa luwa.
Ready to kick ass. Here we go.
Kahit
Fall
pa
back. Get on target.
normal difficulty.
Place the building.
Makastar lang ako ng ano ko lang, yung mabuksan ko yung panibagong mga panel dito sa laro na to. At the same time, tumasang rank ko, pero hindi pala.
Ready to move.
Hindi ka
Driving.
makapagbukas ng
Ready
panibagong
to
maps
roast.
dahil hindi
Ready.
na
Moving.
acquired yung requirements
Roger.
ng mga star.
Enemy
Target
detected.
spotted.
Our unit is under
Kailangan pa
attack.
rin makatluhan ng iba kasi
Enemy coming.
yung mga requirements ng star bago mabuksan ng panibagong
My suit damaged.
Place the building.
My suit damaged.
mga flag.
Enemy coming.
Construction complete.
Murang natin mababa.
Damn. I got
So, ang
shot.
tayo wala nakapagbukas ng ibang maps.
Need support.
Sa ngayon nakapokus ako sa upgrading ng mga troops
Damn. I
at
got
mga building.
shot.
Once na wala ng upgrade na troops, tayo na nakapagbukas.
Construction complete.
Target smashed.
Both yun sa Confederation at saka sa Resistance. Yung Resistance natin medyo
Ready to
marami,
kick ass.
ano pa, late ko na lang laro
Off we go.
1 week ahead itong Confederation natin
Yes, sir.
dun sa
Moving.
Resistance.
Enemy detected. Our unit is under attack.
Here we go. Off we go. Move. Move. Got it.
Resource container.
Here we go. Off we go. Fire this target. Enemy coming.
Instead na resource container ang makita at kalaban.
Need support.
Base na hindi na atake na rin ang kalaban. Ilang seconds na lang matatapos na. Yung nadali na. Depends na makuha natin yung flag at the same time. Madepensahan din natin.
Our unit is under attack. Enemy detected. Victory.
Alright, victory tayo. Ang tanong, ilang star?
Victory.
Ilang star kaya? Yun lang, yung secondary natin ang hindi natin nakuha. Kaya 1 star lang tayo. That's okay mga bro. Balikan natin yan pag upgraded na yung ating mga troops. Yung building. Ayan, nabuksan na natin yung tatlo. Additional na pwede natin laruin. Co-op skirmish. May AI. Kuha muna tayo ng ating mga panalunan. Case. Containers case. So mga bro, hanggang sa muli. See you again no next video. Ingat-ingat na lang lahat at God bless us all. Happy playing.